Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the SSD and backing up data. This avoids accidental loss. Once done, check firmware and enable OSI in BIOS for best performance. Next, boot a GPT-aware tool, for example, use disk part on Windows or G-disk on Linux, and identify the SSD disk number. Make sure to note the device path. You will wipe and create a new GPT table. Proceed immediately to create the GPT, because delaying increases the chance of mistakes. Now you create the GPT and partitions. First, use the tool's wipe or O command to remove the old table, then write a fresh GPT header. This prevents legacy MBR conflicts. Once done, create an EFI partition of 100 to 512 MB and set its type to EFI system. Then add swap or recovery partitions as needed and allocate the rest for root or data. Make sure to set GUID and flags correctly, because operating systems rely on those identifiers to boot and mount. Finish by formatting file systems and installing the OS or copying the GPT image onto partitions. Use fstype-specific MKFS commands. Then install and configure the bootloader to the EFI partition and register NVRAM entries so firmware sees the boot option. After installation, run alignment checks and enable trim to preserve SSD health. If you hit a boot failure, check that the EFI entry exists, verify secure boot settings, confirm partition GUID and flag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.